Hey, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you 8 different lighting setups using one light and a reflector. So let's just get straight into it. We're going to start with butterfly lighting. You'll be able to see by the shadows under the nose. Next, we're going to go into clamshell. So far, that was 2 lighting styles in one. We're going to change the ring light. This is like very much, you can see like the little ring in the eye. Next, we're going to go to one of my favorites, Rembrandt. I'm going to do more side lighting now. Now we're just going to add in a little bit of reflection. We're now going to backlighting. And we'll go for overhead lighting.